Hey everyone, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I want to show you a color pencil technique to blend colors to create a gradient effect. Let's get in it. For this piece, I am using an analogous color scheme. I'm using a blue-violet or navy blue, a green-blue, and a regular blue. So the first thing I'm going to do when I pick my three colors is I'm going to start with the darkest color towards the vanishing point, and I'm going to lightly, very lightly, shade evenly across my space. It's important that you hold your pencil like an artist. Hold the pencil towards its end is going to allow you to have better control over pressure and keep the pencil from making harsh lines. So I'm going to line it up and I'm going to move my paper so it's comfortable. And I'm just going to lightly, for my first layer, I'm going to lightly shade back and forth so I can create an even shade about 3/4 of the way up my space, just like this. Okay? Then I'm going to switch to the medium, the middle color, my regular blue, and I'm going to start by overlapping these colors and go up just a little bit higher past my regular blue, or my navy blue, past the navy blue. And then I'm going to bring this regular blue right down over the top of the navy blue all the way to the vanishing point. Notice how I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure. It's still a pretty light saturation. All right, and now I'm going to switch to my green blue, or my lightest color, and I'm going to go up and I'm going to move my pencil all the way to the top. And I'm going to bring this light blue all the way down into the medium blue and the dark blue, the navy blue here at the bottom, to create an even fade. Now this is my base layer of color. This just allows us to kind of prime the space with the color, if you will. Now to add saturation, I am going to put another layer on. So I'm going to go back to my navy blue, my darkest color, come back down to the bottom here, and now I can apply a bit more pressure as I work towards the center, and I bring my pencil up over the top of my medium blue, just like this. And then I'm going to switch to the medium blue, adding a bit more pressure. I'm going over the top of the navy blue, and I'm working my way down over the top of the blues, just like so. And then I'm going to switch to my last light color, the green blue, and do the same thing. I'm adding a bit more pressure, and I'm coloring over the top of my medium blue, and I'm coloring over the top of my other blues, just like so. You'll know you're being successful if you do not see harsh lines. There's a little bit of a line here where the colors have stopped. So I'm going to take my regular blue and I'm going to bring it up over the top just a hair to help those fade together. And then I'm going to put a third and final layer with a bit more pressure, even a little more pressure than before, to darken my value. As I work my way to the overlapping part, I put a little less pressure, so that way I have room to add some blue, regular blue, just like so. Bring it up. And then lastly, I'm going to add my light blue, my green blue towards the top here. A bit more pressure. Do a little bit of overlapping and pull those colors down into one another, just like so. And there you have it. That is how I do a gradient or fade technique with colored pencil. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope that you use this coloring technique to enhance your color pencil drawings. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.